Okay, students, let us discuss about photoelectric effect. First of all, we have to define it. What is photoelectric effect? The phenomena of ejection of electron from the metal under the influence of striking photon is known as photoelectric effect. Here, two things are there. One is striking of photon onto the surface. Suppose this is metal surface generally which is used, and second is ejection of electron. When electromagnetic radiation is falling onto the metal surface which possesses packets of energy along with radiation, and this packet of energy is called photon. You can see here the radiation is falling, that is radio wave, and you can see in animation photon how is striking onto the surface. When photon is striking on to the surface of metal, metal absorbed energy in form of photon. This energy is used to eject the electron from the metal surface. Now, if this energy exceeds more than the energy required to eject, then the rest of energy used to accelerate the electrons. It is used to accelerate the electrons. So once again, the phenomena of ejection of electron from the metal under the influence of striking photon is known as photoelectric effect. I hope you will like this video, and if you will like this video, then you will also share it to your friends. And now here you can see electromagnetic radiation is falling on the metal, and metal absorbed energy in form of photon is equal to h nu. Now let us discuss about the threshold energy. The minimum energy required to eject electron from the metal surface is called threshold energy. W naught is denoted threshold energy, and which is equal to h nu naught, where W naught is threshold energy or work function and nu naught is frequency, threshold frequency, where threshold frequency is defined as the minimum frequency required to eject electron from the metal surface. In the same manner, we can define threshold wavelength. Let us see some observation of photoelectric effect. First is energy absorbed by metal surface in form of photon is equal to h nu. Second, energy absorbed by metal can eject electron is more than threshold energy or equal to threshold energy, that is h nu must be equal to h nu naught or h nu is greater than h nu naught. Again, E must be greater than or equal to W naught. W naught, that is threshold energy or work function. Kinetic energy of ejected electron is directly proportional to frequency. So ejected electron which possesses kinetic energy is directly proportional to the frequency of radiation, but does not depend on intensity of light or radiation, you can say. It does not depend on intensity. Kinetic energy does not depend on intensity. Number of electrons ejected is depend directly on intensity of radiation. Number of electron ejected is depend directly on intensity of radiation. You can see here in first graph, you can see kinetic energy versus frequency. It is clear that kinetic energy directly proportional to frequency. In second graph, you can see kinetic versus intensity of radiation, where kinetic energy remain constant with increase of intensity. In third one, number of electrons and frequency, where number of electrons remain constant with increase of frequency of radiation. But in fourth one you can see number of electron increase with increase of intensity of radiation. Now mathematical expression of photoelectric effect. You know, energy absorbed by metal from incident radiation utilized to first eject electron, that is also called work function or threshold energy is required, and second acceleration the electron, that is kinetic energy. Therefore total energy absorbed is equal to work function, that is used to eject electron, plus kinetic energy of electrons, or E is equal to h nu and W naught is equal to h nu naught. Therefore the equation would be h nu is equal to h nu naught plus Ek. Ek is kinetic energy. So the equation can be also written as h nu minus nu naught is equal to Ek, that is kinetic energy of electron. Now let us see numericals on the basis of photoelectric effect. Here the frequency of radiation is 5.2 into 10 to the power 14 per second, and the kinetic energy of ejected electron is 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So first calculate threshold frequency for the metal. So we have the value of h is equal to 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. Nu is given 5.2 into 10 to the power 14 per second, and kinetic energy is also given 1.3 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. So we have equation h nu is equal to h nu naught plus Ek. So finally we can write here nu naught is equal to nu minus Ek upon h. Now you can put the value of all these term and you will get the value of nu naught, that is threshold frequency. So students, I hope you will like this video. So you must like, share and subscribe. Thank you.